Hello friends, hope you've had a great start to the new year and hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will be sharing on how I styled a traditional Jamdani sari by giving it a modern look. Love this floral woven pattern on the sari. So I will be wearing this navy colored mirror embroidered backless blouse with the sari. So let me be back. Jamdani. The word is believed to be of Persian origin. Jam meaning flower and Dani meaning vase. Known to have originated in Bangladesh when the weavers from Bangladesh migrated to India during the partition of Bengal, this led the way for the present day Jamdani weaving in India. The patterns are woven on a pure cotton fabric. And I must tell you, it was the most comfortable sari I have ever worn. Keeping accessories to minimal, I will be wearing this golden kundan embellished jhumkas, leaving my hair untamed and lots of red bangles on my right hand. I love bangles. What is your style of accessorizing? Mine is always minimal yet making a statement. So this is how I styled the traditional Jamdani sari. Do let me know by commenting down below how you feel the look turned out. Also hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. I love you guys so much and I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye!